Let's go on a tasty tour of Dinuguan, one of the Philippines' most iconic and misunderstood comfort foods. If you think it's just pork blood stew, you're in for a delicious surprise, because every region puts its own special spin on this savory classic. In Pampanga, they call it Tidtad. It's lighter in color, with a delicate sauce and sometimes a touch of oregano, so it's fragrant, not just funky. Move up north to Ilocos and meet Dinardaraan. Here the sauce is rich and oily, and they cook it down until it's almost dry, intensifying every bite. Hop over to Cebu and you'll find Dugo-dugo. Some folks serve it with solid blood cubes swimming in a deep dark gravy. Others chop the offal fine for a smoother mouthfeel. It's hearty, it's homey, and every family has their own version. Now, in Bulacan and Nueva Ecija, things get tangy with Tinumis. Instead of vinegar, they use tamarind, sometimes the leaves, sometimes the flowers, to give the stew a bright sour kick. Batangas brings us sinugbak tomatoes for sourness, plus green papaya for crunch. Let's not forget Bicol, famous for bold flavors. Their Tinutungang Dinuguan simmers coconut milk and chilies with pork and blood, then uses charcoal embers to curdle the milk into a creamy, smoky reduction. It's spicy, rich, and unforgettable. For a twist, Bulacan's circle swaps pork for beef innards and keeps things brothy and a little sour. And over in Marinduque, kari-kari is almost dry before they add the blood, so every morsel is packed with flavor. So next time you hear Dinuguan, remember it's not just one dish. It's a whole map of Filipino creativity, culture, and comfort. Which version are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below.